Hello, my name is Galina Hale. I'm a professor of economics at the University of California, Santa Cruz. And I want to tell you why I'm optimistic about climate change. I'm not a climate denier. I fully understand that the human activity has caused global warming of already 3 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.5 degrees Celsius. And we already see manifestations of global climate change. Here in Santa Cruz area, we had 2 floods this year. Just 3 years ago, the CZU fire has destroyed a lot of communities around us. Still, I'm optimistic because we have climate solutions. Solutions for mitigating climate change, that is reducing greenhouse gas emissions that are causing the greenhouse effects, exist. And the solutions for climate adaptation, that is solutions to protect nature, property, and people from the manifestations of climate change, such as storms, floods, and fire. Those solutions exist. And we can implement those solutions if everybody puts in a little bit of effort. So we need to work on that together. And the implementation of the solutions needs funding, a lot of funding. There are estimates from Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is that around $6 trillion a year globally need to be spent on climate solutions. That's a lot of money. That's 10 times more than we're currently spending. Current spending mostly comes from the governments, NGOs, and consumers, households putting solar panels on the roofs. State of California gave $180 million to the UC system for implementing climate solutions. It's unlikely that the governments and NGOs, nonprofits, and foundations can scale up their funding by a tenfold. So we need to look for money somewhere else. And here comes the good news. Global assets under management of private financial institutions amount to more than $100 trillion. That means we only need to incentivize those institutions to spend less than 6% of all their investment investing in climate solutions. And these are not just a waste of money. These are investments that actually have probably one of the best payoffs. So if we can figure out how to incentivize financial institutions to invest in climate solutions, we can solve climate. And that's why I'm optimistic. In my TEDx talk, I will also talk about why currently financial institutions are investing so little in climate solutions, what are the barriers to their investment, and how we can overcome those barriers by bringing together all the stand to benefit from solving the climate problem, which is everybody.